720 made it to the door.
Hey!
It's Halloween. We got more to do to get set up.
What you want? What you want?
So in case you've ever wondered what it's like doing this junk, I got a few things to get done before trick-or-treaters come tonight. I have got electrical cords out here that I still got to stake down so no one trips over them, so we're going to do that first. I've got a little owl push-button doorbell to put on the house still. Got to bring speakers out for music. I've got to drape some black in behind the doorway there, so when that opens up to get their candy, they don't see just the junk back there. So we gotta get that stuff done too. So electric cords, right? Electric cords, the doorbell, the black hanging on the inside. We need to do battery check for all these little lights, make sure they're good. And music, and I think we'll be ready.
Let me guess. You're working on electric cords. Oh, I can't.
Wonderful, you're back. All right, well, so I was getting ready to hang this thing up. My screw won't fit in this, so we're gonna fix that real quick. I just need to drill the hole out a little bit bigger. This is what I get for waiting until Halloween day to deal with this.
Dude, I told you should have checked that like 2 days ago.
Look, the last thing I need right now is an I told you so. This thing's actually pretty cool. Just a click of the doorbell, his eyes light up.
Why, when you enter, you never know who or what you will encounter.
That's pretty neat. Let's walk back in here. I haven't shown you guys. This is behind the facade. Yeah. The facade is attached to the house with some 1x going across. It's not the best for my house, but it works. That way, in case any of you guys are curious of the way this stuff, hooked up. 2x4, that's 12 foot tall, goes all the way up top. I screwed that into that later. This one doesn't really have a lot of pressure on it because of this. I'm not worried about stuff going back and forth. But the one on this other side here, I did drill a hole through that, and we got a piece of rebar at an angle, because the wind cuts around the house and then hits back on the back side of this. Yes, there is a 1x here and one here and another one up there, but those are just 1x's, right? I wouldn't hang my hat for those being super strong, so I stuck that down in there. That way the wind comes in and kicks this way. That rebar will help hold tension from letting that fall that way, and of course wind blowing back from the north this way in the house really isn't an issue. And it's held up really good. We've had some strong storms come through here, a lot of wind, worked pretty good. But this is what we're dealing with back here, because when they ring that doorbell, this top door is going to open and they're going to be able to see into here. So we're going to drape some black down here and some black down here. And then on another note, if you guys are curious on my whole door apparatus, this is a foam door. Yeah, real simple. Can just twist that and the door opens. Close the door, close that, wind won't blow it open. And now we're back down in the studio and it's a mess. It's gonna be freaking cold tonight. Holy cow, this thing fell off or someone knocked this off, I don't know. It's messed up, so we're gonna hot glue it back together and get it back outside.
Holy cow, man. How many projects do you have to finish before these trick-or-treaters get here? Because all you said was electric cords, like 5 times, then the doorbell, black drapes, battery check, and music. You didn't say anything about pumpkin repair.
Yeah, I know, man. I just noticed this thing was broke, so we're fixing it. Okay, well, we got most of the batteries are replaced. I had to fix one of these pumpkins. You saw that, it's fixed. We're gonna put it back out there. But I wanna get some music going. Yeah, I gotta get this ready. It's 4:30. Should be some daytime trick-or-treaters showing up that don't wanna get scared. All right, so We got some ambience music playing. I might have to make that a little louder, but we'll see. Yeah, we're gonna be ready, and maybe I can get some scare footage tonight. We'll see. So our first trick-or-treaters arrived at right about 4:45.
So a quick glance over the yard, make sure everything looks good, and now we just wait for dark.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Pennywise, do you want to take your picture with me?
No.
No, you got to take a picture with me. Come on, take a picture.
No. Don't scare me. Don't scare me. Don't scare me.
I told you.
He left you. He left us. Wow. That's my big brother.
Yeah, right.
He said, I'm out of here.
She loves clowns.
Hey, you left that. Want some candy? No candy?
All right, baby. I just want to do this again. Oh, let's do this again.
Oh, he said he's not scared. He said, oh my God.
Where'd that come from? That scared me.
Who was that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, uh-oh.
Dad, I'm wanting you guys.
Daily.
No, I'm wanting you.
Okay, go up there.
The one guy I see not look at.
No. Chainsaw scarecrow.
Chloe, turn around. Run. What? I hear the chainsaw.
Oh my God!
Trick or treat!
Don't worry, we're gonna call the police on that guy. I got it.
I do not want to be chased with the chainsaw.
Who has the chainsaw? Oh, God.
Hey there, editor. Can we see that one again? Because I swear, I think she sacrificed her friend to the chainsaw and then took off in the other direction.
Got him out of there.
He's gonna chase you. There's no use.
Oh, my God!
It's November 1st. Everything's covered in frost. It's very cold this morning. It was cold last night, but it was a success, I would say. So we did a count. Oh, we did a click count last night. 720 kids actually made it to the door up there. We only counted the ones that made it to the door. Out here in the street, kids who kind of got up into here and took off and went somewhere else and couldn't make it to the door, or parents or hay rides that kids and people didn't get off of. Who knows? I'm guessing there were over 1,000 people that showed up. 720 made it to the door.
What you want? What you want?